I was looking out on the sea of smiling faces, swaying to the rhythm and the sound. Ain't us a pat on your back from your favorite friends, high fives going all around. You may not get every single word right, that's not what it's about. Raise your hands to that shark fin shape. You sing, dance, and shout. We owe it all to Jimmy and you crazy fans, to all the flags and the shark fins on all those minivans. It ain't about the parrots or the swaying palm trees. It's about all the great friends that we have come to be. So here we stand, a poor copy at best, in the middle of this hullabaloo. So true, I said it before and I'll say it again. It ain't us, we're not the party. It's always you guys. You make it happen. Thank you. We owe it all to Jimmy and his crazy fans, to all the flags and the shark fins on all those minivans. It ain't about the parrots or the swaying palm trees. It's about all the great friends that we have come to be.